Hello. Here's how to track in FreeAgent the time you spent working on projects and tasks. This is useful not only if you charge your customers by the hour or day worked, but also to track time that you can't charge to see how profitable your projects are. FreeAgent calls this unbillable time. You need to make sure you've set up the project first, which you do from the Work menu by choosing Projects. A project is a discrete piece of work you do for a particular customer. Then, set up your tasks and choose whether these are billable or unbillable, that is, whether or not your customer is going to pay you for your time completing those tasks. You're now ready to track your time. You can do this as you're actually carrying out the work by using FreeAgent's stopwatch function. To start this, go to Work and Time Tracking, set which project and task you're working on and who's working on it, and set the stopwatch running. You can have more than one timer running at once if you're multitasking. Click again to stop the timer. Or you can add time slips for a day or week at a time after you did the work. To create a daily time slip, from the project page choose Add New and then Time Slip. Enter the details of the time you spent and the task you were working on, then save the time slip. To enter a whole week's time for a particular task at once, go to Work and Time Tracking and choose Add Weekly Timesheet. Put in the hours you spent on the task for each day. When you're creating an invoice for that project, you can then add time to the invoice by choosing one of the options from the Add Unbilled Time menu. FreeAgent will pull onto the invoice any unbilled, billable time up to the invoice date so that you can charge your customer for it. You can also create reports of how much time you've spent. From Work and Time Tracking, choose Create Report, and then filter the report to pull out the information you need. For example, if you want to create a report to show a customer how much work you and your team have done for this week across all your projects for them, you can set the options to filter by just that contact and all projects, tasks, and people. That's a quick summary of how to track time in FreeAgent, charge your customers for time, and report on how much time you've spent. Thanks for watching.